Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your October month reading regarding the question what will be your partner's next move towards you, and this will be a general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and you are seeing that I have already shuffled cards and let's spread them out. Let's start your reading without any further delay. Underneath the deck, you are having High Priestess and Nine of Swords. Your person is very much in anxiety. Maybe your person is missing you. They are missing the time when you were together. Your bond was very strong, like a marriage. Or maybe if you are in a marriage connection, you people are not together. Maybe you people are away from each other because of work, or maybe anything can be a reason. So your person is missing you, missing out the situation when you were before together before, and how your relationship used to be strong and financially abundant, or maybe it's abundant of the family life. So this person is missing this. They are making themselves strong this time because they are very much in anxiety to have you back in their life. They are missing you. They want this soulmate connection. They want this abundant in this connection again. And or maybe they are making themselves strong to give you this abundant and soulmate connection in this relationship. And they are waiting. They were waiting before. Now this their waiting period is going to end, because there is Three of Wands. Whatever they were waiting for, it is they are seeing that it's coming toward them. Or if it's like that, if they're just missing you, or missing the strongness and beautifulness of this connection, this person working hard to get this relationship back in a track, like back in a abundant, back in a soulmate connection, and back in a strong connection like marriage. So this person is working hard over. If it's a situation where financial problems were the issue, so this person is going to is working hard right now. They are taking all responsibilities on their shoulders, maybe work responsibilities, to give you to give you financial abundance in this connection. They want they make themselves strong this time to give you the connection which will be in our strength. So or maybe they are gathering their strength to fight this anxiety this time, because they are in a situation where they need to have their strength within themselves, because they are missing the stability and the soulmate connection in this connection. But right now they are waiting. They were waiting. Now they are seeing that this things is coming towards them. Whatever responsibility they took on their shoulder, is it's giving them a result. They maybe became able to give you the soulmate connection and the abundance of this connection. So this can be their right move for Capricorns, that they will gather their strength to have this connection back in their life. So they want it, but they are not taking any action here. Or maybe they are tired to take actions. Now they are waiting for you to take actions in this time. Or it's a marriage connection where you people are happy in this connection, but you people are away from each other because of work. Or maybe your person wants to give you the abundant life and for this purpose they took all responsibility and workload on their shoulder, and they are in anxiety because they are away from you. They missed you a lot. So this energy can be vice versa, Capricorn. So this is your reading. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.